I would like to know about your books. You are a poet, you have been RJ, and you have written a lot of poetry books. So I would like to know more about it. And which one is your favorite poem?
Oh, that's like asking a child, mother, which one is a favorite, you know. But yeah, different times, different poems have been favorite depending on the situation, you know. But my thing is, which I find different from many others, is that I write in 3 different languages.
Wow.
And I write in English, I write in Hindi, Urdu, and I write in Punjabi also.
Wow.
So it's just that when the कहते हैं ना वो अलार्म होता है जो रियलाइजेशन होती है when that happens the language in which it comes it's always nice to write in that language because if you try to it becomes very contrived so when it flows the way it does I just write it in that language and I feel that's one of my strengths you know that I can do in 3 different languages and when the book that is published eventually if I write it in English that's fine if I write in Hindi Urdu then I keep this similar script in English so that you know the people who understand the language but cannot read can read this so like if I say hum I'll write HUM in English side by side so then people can understand both so that's the way I do it and my first book was Bubbling Over which was just a compilation of 40 poems because it was our 40th anniversary. And then the other 3 it's a trilogy which I'm going to be sending out next year. The first book was Dil Se, which was 111 poems in 3 different languages, which was to celebrate our 50th anniversary. And then next was my husband's birthday, his milestone birthday, so for which I wrote a poem called Dil Se Dil Tak.
Wow.
And then the third one is for my milestone birthday, which is coming next year. That's why I'm going to keep it for next year. Is Dil Ki Awaaz. So there are 3 dils in this involved. That's why I said it's a trilogy. So there are 4 poetry books. And now I'm also writing a book in prose. A book about how children, it's a children's book illustrations ke saath. And basically telling them how they should grow up as good citizens, good human beings, basically also based on Sikhism. Okay. So because Sikhism is also a way of life, you know. So it's how to be a good human being and how to do good in the world.
That's
so right. And if they have any queries, any questions which they might be hesitant to ask, from elders or you know so it will be in the book simple questions simple answers simple queries being answered that's my idea so that's still in the making.
This is so incredible like knowing 3-4 languages is one thing but writing poem in that it's altogether a different thing actually it's a different level because you need to have that in-depth knowledge of that language and then like the art of writing a poem. And this is so beautiful that you have written for all these milestones. I love this one. When I was young, I used to write poems, but then we get busy with studies and also I stopped it. So after many years, I have published one book. I wish I would have brought this one, that book to gift
that
you.
would have been nice.